Amazing start to the day. These were the scenes in Aberdeen yesterday, and they'll be repeated across large areas of the UK today. Disruptive snow in the north, and it lasts all week long. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
And the air has come from the Arctic, so here, way to the north of us, the floodgates open, and it's this dividing line that we are watching very carefully. If the mild air that moves up from the south bumps into the cold air, that will bring some very disruptive snow tomorrow, and it looks as though it just is, the boundary is right along the south coast. So there we go. There was my roving reporter, Andy, showing us the snowfall in despite the temperature saying maybe 2 or 3 degrees. When you add in the wind, it will feel sub-zero. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. Big changes coming, but for the time being, we'll look at the north of the UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. For the rest of the working week, our temperatures are way below average for the time of year. But look, the weekend, all change. It turns much milder. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK, will frequent heavy snow showers every day, warnings in force, but it turns drier come Friday before wet weather with the mild this weekend. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, temperatures way below average by day and by night. Yes, it is winter, but we haven't seen things this cold for a long time. So sub-zero temperatures milder into the weekend, but it is looking at least largely dry. Good morning to you. Wherever you are this morning, it is a freezing start to the day, as low as -9 degrees overnight. And the snow is coming in thick and fast across the north, with more crisp winter sunshine like yesterday in the south. This is the latest radar with snow added. So snow showers across the north of Scotland, heavy snowfall for Northern Ireland. It is a freezing start to the day. Temperatures have fallen as low as -9 degrees. You will need to scrape the windscreen in the source region, the Arctic. This northerly blast pushes across the country. Tomorrow, milder air tries to meet it, and where the two collide, that means we have the risk of snow. Where and when? Today, the risk of snowfall, much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, Wales, even down to the southwest of England. Tomorrow, a smaller area in the northwest, but a threat right along the south coast. That is one that we are watching closely. So today, it's the north that sees the snow, it's the south that has the best of any sunshine like the last few days, and for all of us feeling cold. This is the latest snowdar, so the radar showing where we've got snow falling, making its way in across the north of Scotland, Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, northwestern areas of England, even some snow through the Midlands, parts of Cambridge and Essex, seeing the odd flake as well. Now, through the day, it is southern Scotland, northern England. We could see 5 to 10 centimetres of snow, 20 across the highest ground in Scotland. Beautiful sunshine in the south, but adding in the wind, feeling sub-zero. Good morning. A freezing start this morning. You'll need to scrape those windscreens, and then snow is on the way. For the northern half of the country, sunny in the south, much like yesterday. And this is the latest radar. Where there's white, that is where we have snow falling. So this is our snowdar. A few snow showers through parts of Essex, even Cambridgeshire, but heavier snowfall now for northwest England, southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far northwest of Scotland. So through the day, this whole band of sleet and snow moves eastwards. Heaviest through northern England, southern Scotland. Yellow warnings in force from the Midlands northwards for snow and ice. Could well be upgraded for amber in some areas. 2 to 5 centimetres to lower levels, 10 over the higher ground, 2 to 5 on the thermometer. But when you add in the wind chill, feeling sub-zero.